In this video, I'll guide you through how to print an invoice in Xero. We'll go step by step from opening Xero all the way through to marking that invoice as sent so you can keep your records tidy and your customers informed. Even if you're new to Xero, by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to click, what to look out for, and how to avoid common mistakes. Let's start at the very beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Once you're there, sign in to your Xero account as you normally would. Make sure you're logging into the correct organization if you have access to more than one, because invoices are stored separately for each business. When you're on the main Xero dashboard, you'll see a navigation menu across the top. From that main menu, look for the option labeled business or accounting, depending on your layout, and then find the section called sales. Click on sales. This is where Xero groups everything related to money coming into your business, including quotes, invoices, and credit notes. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the menu or widening your browser window so all the menu options are visible. Once you're inside the sales area, you'll see several tabs or links. Click on Invoices. This page is your central hub for all invoices you've created. Here you'll find different tabs or filters such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. It's a good idea to use these filters to quickly locate the invoice you want to print, especially if you have a lot of transactions. Now you're ready to choose the specific invoice you want. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it by customer name, invoice number, date, or amount. When you've located the correct invoice, click directly on the invoice line. That will open up the full invoice page where you can review all the details. Before printing, take a moment to double check the customer information, invoice date, due date, line items, and totals. If anything looks off, this is your chance to correct it before you create a PDF. With the invoice open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button or menu option that says Print PDF. Click on that. Xero will generate a PDF version of your invoice using the branding theme you've set up. Your browser will usually display a preview of the PDF and then give you options to either download it or print it directly. If you plan to mail a physical copy or keep one for your own records, choose your printer and print as you normally would. If you only need a digital copy, you can save the PDF to your computer or cloud storage instead. After you've created or printed the PDF, head back to the invoice page in Xero. Near the top, you'll see an option that says Mark as Sent. Click Mark as Sent to update the invoice status. This tells Xero that the invoice has been issued to the customer, whether you printed it and mailed it or shared the PDF another way. Marking it as sent is important for accurate reporting and helps you track which invoices are still waiting to go out. And that's it. You've gone from opening Xero to locating your invoice, to printing the PDF, and finally marking it as sent, all within just a few clicks.